Right now, as you watch this, something extraordinary is happening across our planet. Every single second, humanity consumes enough electricity to power ancient Rome for an entire year. China alone uses 9,000 terawatt-hours annually, enough to power the entire continent of Africa. The United States follows with over 4,000 terawatt-hours. But here's what's fascinating and slightly unsettling about our modern world. In the past 24 months, a new kind of consumer has emerged. Not a nation, not even a megacity. Something else entirely. Something that's quietly reshaping the very foundation of how our civilization uses energy. Picture Armenia, an entire nation of 3 million people. Every light bulb, every factory, every electric car. Their total annual consumption, 7.7 terawatt-hours. Now imagine this. There are individual technology campuses in Virginia and Oregon that consume nearly that same amount of power. Single facilities rivaling entire countries. But wait, it gets more extraordinary. Google's artificial intelligence operations alone now consume 30.8 million megawatt-hours annually. That's more electricity than entire states like Vermont, Wyoming, and Delaware use combined. In just 1 year, Google's AI power consumption doubled. Meta's increased by 34%. We're witnessing something unprecedented in human history. A single 300-megawatt AI campus consumes as much power as 200,000 American homes, roughly equivalent to a city like Salt Lake City or Richmond. But unlike cities, these facilities never sleep, never take vacations, never turn off the lights. Yet here's where human ingenuity becomes breathtaking. Engineers are pioneering 800-volt DC architectures that eliminate traditional power conversion losses. They're partnering with nuclear innovators to deploy small modular reactors, clean, consistent power sources that can operate for decades without fuel changes. Some facilities are experimenting with direct liquid cooling that captures waste heat to warm entire neighborhoods. Others are developing AI systems that predict their own power needs milliseconds in advance, orchestrating electricity consumption like a symphony conductor, managing an orchestra of millions of processors. We're not just building computers anymore. We're creating a new form of industrial civilization, one where intelligence itself has become our most energy-intensive pursuit. In pursuing artificial minds, we've accidentally built the most sophisticated energy management systems in human history. The question that keeps engineers awake at night isn't whether we can build smarter machines. It's whether we can build them wisely enough to power a future worth having.